Wow, she has very nice squishies. I think I'll buy some from her. Oh, that must be squishies. In the box. Oh, cool. That's kind of weird. Okay, so this is my squishy package. Okay, so I can see a squishy right here in a plastic bag. It looks like my panda egg, and it's all taped together, which isn't bad. So I'm a little disappointed that this squishy actually came in a plastic bag, so that's not very what usually happens. Okay, so it says here, this is my receipt, and the total is €300 apparently, which is kind of weird, and I have to pay €10 shipping, so that's very expensive for squishies normally, but I did order a lot. Let's open this one first, so I'll move this aside. This didn't come with any protection, which is kind of bad. Look at this squishy. It's like nice and all, but like look at all the defects and stuff. It's like really dirty and like used before, but it's like really squishy. So I really liked it. It's just very defected when it came, and the ears. I just realized that now. And look at the face. It's like so dirty. But I really like it because it's so squishy. So I don't have very high expectations for the next squishies. So now we're moving on to the bigger package. It says for Allison from Unknown, but it's like backwards on the screen. So I'm not sure if you're able to read that. So I'm going to open it now. It looks like it's like a shopping bag that Unknown used to wrap my squishies in. So that's guys, I just opened the package, and they actually did use a shopping bag. It says H&M, which is a clothes shop. So the first squishy I took out is the ice cream squishy. I remember ordering this, but it said that it was actually a jumbo, and this isn't really a jumbo. If you can see, it says jumbo right over here on number 9. Just right there. So, kind of disappointed, and this was like €25 for a jumbo. This is actually just kind of like a medium sized. So, moving on, we have Galaxy Deer. It's very slow rising, but I'm guessing all of these are defected because the jumbo squishy is defected as well on its face and eyes. And this one apparently lost its ears. But I'm kind of happy with it for some reason, even though it's really broken. Look. It's really pretty and squishy and slow rising. See? It's really cute, so I'm quite happy about this. And I don't think there's anything else I could say about this. But I do not recommend buying squishies online because they could scam you a lot. But never mind. We have a mini squishy. I think this is meant to be my animal loaf. That was meant to be a medium size. Yeah, it's my animal loaf. The last one I ordered over here. And this one's quite squishy as well. It's just that it's like worse than the other one because look at that. And look at the face. It's like markered on its face. And it's also very defective. It's like so broken. But overall, I think this is a very nice squishy. But it's just that it has marks all over the place. Like, if you can see, there's like green colors on it. And the bottom looks like they put like acrylic paint there. Okay, so this one's not very good. It's just very squishy. Now I have my jumbo ram sheep thingy. This one's quite squishy as well, and it's very nice, except like the others, it's like broken and played with already. So I guess she just took it out from her old collection. Look, it's like so dried and defected. Yeah, this is not a very nice squishy. It feels like marshmallow though, so that's very nice. And for some strange reasons, I could see spots on its bottom. So, I don't know what just happened with the lighting. But there's like spots on the bottom. It's still light. If you can see. Yeah, okay, you can see. And it's not that defected on other sides except the front. So I think the metallic ram I ordered is gonna be real defective too. Now I have the metallic. I think it's meant to be the metallic squishy. I don't know. I'm gonna turn my lighting off. And it's like actually kind of pretty. It's just the way she put it up there is very messy. But I really like this one because it makes like it more slow rising than the other one. It crumbled a little bit, like see? Okay, whatever. Look at the top. It's like so nice and it makes a really nice sound. So that's really, really nice. And this one doesn't have spotty butts. So that's really nice. It is cracking a little bit when you squish it, but it's not really breaking off. So I think that's going to stand for a while. And this one's actually kind of good. It's not as defective as the other ones. So I think I give this like a 7 out of 10 because it's so big as promised and it's cleaner than the other ones. Now we're going to start with the mini squishies. This is meant to be my toasty toast, I think. This is actually quite nice. It didn't say it was going to be metallic though. Yeah, it didn't say. And I just realized right now it said toasty tote. This person probably doesn't have very good spelling skills. It's really nice. Like, it's kind of, it's like really nice and shiny. And I like the face because it's like dizzy looking. But it's cracky and it makes it look scaly. If you can see it. Yeah. This one's kind of dirty, but I think this is quite good actually. It has like a sticky texture, so I don't know what's up with that. So I can't really say much about this one. So now moving on, we have the pink watermelon squishy. Wait, it's up there and here. I didn't know that. It's really soft. I just don't really like the way it looks like someone just cut like a little circle in half. And it's like they like probably like tried to shaping it up, but it was like a fail. And this side's like more pink, this side's like more reddish. When it rises up, I'll show you. So let's just wait for a while and we'll just continue. So this is meant to be my pink toast, I'm pretty sure. It didn't say it was going to be metallic, but I really like it like this. And this one's actually kind of good. And the back is covered a little bit too. And I think my other toasty toast has the same brown stain on it. Somewhere up there. Yeah, that's kind of weird. So it has the same face, which I think it's pretty cool. And I can't really say much about this either. So back to the pink watermelon. It's right up now. If you can see, this one's redder and this one's pink. Yeah, I don't think you can really that much tell the difference, but you can actually see it better off camera. So let's move on to, I have my watermelon here. It's not really finished, so I am correct about the markers. But this one, they shaped it better than the other watermelon. And it has the seeds, which is like more detailed than the other one. And this one's like more reddish, that I like better. I just don't know why they would put yellow on the squishy on a watermelon. So that's kind of really weird. This one has the same texture as a pink one. So kind of strange, and they're almost the same size. I think they were made to be one squishy because they almost fit perfectly together. And when they sharpened it, it like kind of broke some pieces off, so it won't really fit that perfectly together. But I'm pretty sure this was already made to be one squishy, and they probably just cut it in half. Moving on to the extras, and we have a fox thingy, like keyring. I don't know what this is. I can just put this on my bag. It's like a little fox, and I'm pretty sure it was used before because it's like pink here. So yes, I have kind of I don't know what this is. It's like a cube, and it has a face drawn on with a pen. And you can tell somebody tried to shape in this again. You can actually see there's like a faint pink outline of a heart here. So, I don't know what's up with that. There's like a hole here. It looks almost like death. Okay, anyways. I have another extra, I think. It's called a yellow cube spelled wrong, and it's kind of heavy. I don't know what this is. It's like rubbers, I think. It's like, yeah, it's definitely rubber. Okay, so I don't know why she just gave me pieces of chopped up rubber, and so